All right, Trey, what do you got to say?
This car, it's messed up. It's sad. Should get rid of it. I wouldn't recommend this car.
Bruh, I just got my new wheels. What's wrong with you?
Yeah, but like every week.
Okay. All right. So check this out.
It's fucked.
Yeah. I was driving my car. Like, this was probably a week ago or over a week ago. I discovered it. My car had a ticking noise. Tick, 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 tick. But it was loud, and it sounded like...
It sounded like that.
Nah, it almost sounded like a rod knock. Anyways, scared the hell out of me. I don't know. I was shitting bricks. Like, I don't know what the heck it was. But anyways, it went away. It, like, comes and goes. I talked to some people, and they told me that when you have rod knock, like, that ticking noise doesn't go away. It's like, it doesn't happen like that. Like, once you have that ticking noise, it stays. So with my car, it doesn't really do that, but I'm gonna show you the video right now. Can y'all see why I was freaking out? Because like it just came on out of nowhere and I was like, uh-oh, I'm screwed. I replaced the transmission, now I need a new engine. Like, bro, what? So I'm thinking that, I don't know, I did some research and some other people had the same problem on N55 engine. Now there are rod bearings that have gone out and is documented, but people are saying not to worry about it. But it's happened before. Ever since I had that ticking noise, I've been extra careful because now it just put fear into my heart. You know, I'm honestly kind of afraid of having a rod knock on my car that it actually makes me kind of just want to sell it. So some people told me it could be lifter tick. Other people told me that it was the injectors ticking, but my injectors already tick. This is a different kind of ticking noise. And it comes and goes. I guess the closest ticking noise I could really find was the evap valve cycling through, I guess. If you search up evap valve ticking noise on the 335i's, you can find one that sounds pretty much just like mine, like exactly like mine. And it comes and goes. So people told me it could be like a leak or something like that. I'm not entirely sure how that works. I'm not a mechanic, I'm not a scientist, but if y'all know what it is, let me know in the comment section. I'm trying to figure out what it is. I want to fix it. If it's not a big deal and it's just something rattling, then like, I guess I'll just, you know, it's whatever. I won't freak out about it, but I'm trying to fix this car up and everything so I can put it up for sale. If any of you people are in Portland, in the Portland, Seattle area.
You guys want an unreliable BMW that will break on you every week.
Hit me up. Just hit me up. I got one right here.
Please call 503.
Yeah. Just let us know what it is. Yeah, if y'all can let me know what that ticking noise is. I'm more on the side of the evap valve cycling through, I guess. I think is what it's called. I'm not entirely sure. My car runs fine. If it was actual rod knock, the ticking noise would be accelerating with the actual engine. As I press on the throttle, it would accelerate, and then you'd hear like an actual knocking noise. This is just like a ticking. Comment in the comment section. Leave a comment.
Let us know
what you think it is. It drives fine. It drives fine. You know, it's not losing power.
Hey, like and subscribe, and go follow the Instagram page. I'm grinding on that. Go follow the Instagram page.
He's mainly running the page, so if any of y'all message us,
and I say something stupid, it's me.
Probably him. If it's something intelligent, it's probably me. But anyways, I will catch you on the next video. What the hell was wrong with you? I thought we ended the video.
I'm sorry.
Alright, we got him out. Finally, there he is. Well, he's gone, I guess. He's dealt with.